Why are there not more people talking about what's actually inside an IP packet? Let's break down IP packets versus headers. Trust me, it's simpler than you think. Imagine you're mailing a letter. The whole envelope, address, stamp, and the message inside is like an IP packet. The IP header, that's just the address and stamp on the envelope. It tells the network where your data should go, how big it is, and more. The IP packet is the complete package header plus data, like your letter inside the envelope. When a computer sends data, it chops it into chunks. Each chunk becomes an IP packet. The header contains key info, think sender and receiver IP addresses, the type of protocol, and sequence numbers. In real life, every time you load a web page or send a file, your data is split into tons of IP packets. Routers read just the headers to deliver the packets to the right place. So the IP header is the roadmap and the packet is the journey, both crucial for getting your data where it needs to go.